I'm going to show you how to make some really easy skis for your airplane. The first step is to get a pair of wheel collars that match the axle diameter, and then grind a flat spot directly across from the set screw and solder that collar to a piece of brass. We'll call that brass the flipper. Next, I fabricated a spine that runs the length of the ski from some 1/4 inch pine molding scraps. This is glued to the 1/32 inch plywood ski body. Once the glue is hardened along the straight portion of the spine, the tip of the ski is soaked in boiling hot water for about 15 minutes until it becomes pliable. The pliable tip is then glued to the spine using water-based carpenter glue. And finally, using the same two-step process, a second layer of 1/32 inch plywood is glued to the first. Next, 2 1/8 inch plywood uprights are fabricated to attach the ski to the wheel axle. These are epoxied to the ski and the spine, and they're separated by a distance just slightly greater than the width of the wheel collar. The hole that the axle is going to go through is lined with a bushing made out of some hardware store aluminum. It's a good idea to put a piece of axle material through the bushings while that epoxy is drying, just to keep everything square. Next, 2 holes are drilled into the spine down to the level of the upper surface of the ski, and these holes are then dripped with some CA to make them firm, and then re-drilled. Now just double check to make sure the action is smooth. The spring action of this contraption derives from that brass flipper pushing down against a piece of steel spring wire. What I did is I bent a piece of wire so that the tips of the wire would fit into those holes 4 inches apart on the top of the ski, on the spine of the ski. And the other critical part of this spring is that the horizontal portion has to lie just below the axle so that it rides under the flipper with a slight bit of pressure to keep it in place. You can see that there's one piece leaning against the upright just to demonstrate about where the horizontal portion of the wire should be. I used 40 thousandths wire at first, and it was a little bit too soft, and the spring was kind of weak for my plane, so I used 60 thousandths, and that was perfect. So despite my best efforts to make the tolerances pretty tight, the wire spring eventually worked its way between the flipper and the uprights and jammed the ski. The easy solution was to glue in 2 pieces of plywood that prevent the spring from migrating laterally. Another problem was that the ski could flip upside down. The easy solution to this problem is to glue 2 more pieces of plywood as stops for the flipper and limit the motion. There you have it, easy DIY plane skis. Go make a pair, you'll love them.